guys, it's really nice to come your way again. I hope you're doing great and you're taking really good care of yourselves. You know, these days most of us are trapped at home, and even though we get the chance to go out every now and then to grocery stores and to get the essentials, I just thought it would be a great opportunity to share my special granola breakfast recipe with you. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much and welcome back to the channel. You will really enjoy this recipe. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. There are more great recipes coming your way. Let's get started. So here's what you will need. 4 cups of rolled oats, half a cup pecans, half a cup almonds, half a cup banana chips, half a cup dates. This was about 13 pieces of dates, half a cup coconut oil. You can also use olive oil if you prefer. Half a cup of maple syrup. Honey makes a perfect substitute. Half a cup toasted coconut chips. Half a cup flaxseed. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Let's get into it. So we will start by adding the cups of rolled oats, in a container, and we will add all of the things on this table. So add almonds, pecans, we will add our salt as well as the cinnamon. I will add the oil. It's very easy, it's just throwing things together, as well as the maple syrup. Now mix everything together until all the ingredients are combined. Put the mixture in a baking tray. Please be sure to check on your granola every 10 minutes and stir throughout the baking process. So it's been 20 minutes into the baking time. I am going to stir in my dates as well as the banana chips and the toasted coconut chips. So I'll just break these banana chips into tiny bits and pop it back into the oven and bake for the last 10 minutes. You can store this in an airtight container after it's been cooled. This is really great for breakfast. Please give this recipe a try and like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.